beauty services, cost of sanitary products, what are some skills that you need to know, my advice and some part-time jobs that starting ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ confusion ਹੋਈ ਸੀਗੀ। Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all fine and staying safe. In this video, I'm going to talk about everything that a girl needs to know before coming to Canada. It's an honest talk, like more like a girl talk, and थोड़ी सी informal video होगी. I'll talk about literally everything like cost of beauty services, cost of sanitary products, what are some skills that you need to know, my advice and some part-time jobs that you can do as a girl. So everything that a girl should know and some things that I didn't know when I was coming to Canada and I wish I knew. I'll talk about everything. So make sure you watch this entire video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. And after watching this video, if you still have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. So first question that I get asked the most, what are some skills that you can learn before coming to Canada? And for girls, I really recommend that you start working on your self-grooming. Like start learning some skills for your self-grooming, such as learn threading, waxing. If you are into haircuts, start to do your own haircuts, because depending on the area that you live in, these services could get really expensive. Like I am currently in Waterloo, and Waterloo doesn't have that many Indians who could do eyebrow threading. So I have to go to the mall to get my eyebrows done, and it cost me about $15. So I would really recommend कि if you have time, learn these skills, because जितनी ज़्यादा practice करोगे उतनी ज़्यादा तुसी वधिया होंगे दे विच. And I know how to wax my own arms, legs. I even know threading. मैं किसी होर दी threading कर सकती हूँ, but I cannot do my own threading, so I have to go to the mall. But you can also learn to do your own threading. And I always wax my own arms and legs. मैं कभी भी like shave नहीं करती या epilate नहीं करती. I always wax my own arms and legs. And you can easily find a hot wax here in Canada and a warmer as well. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ easily ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. It's not that expensive. So that's my first advice. I am saying that learn these skills because these skills could help you find a part-time job as well. Because I personally, I'm gonna leave a picture here. I personally did work in a salon where I did threading and waxing. So for threading and waxing, you don't need any license. But if you are doing somebody's hair or somebody's anything related to skin, you need to have license in Canada. But for threading and waxing, you don't. Second question that I get asked the most is about makeup products, cost of makeup products. So I would say it's very similar to what you pay in India. Similar price हैगा, but for international brands could be a little bit cheaper in Canada than in India. So I would recommend that don't buy too much makeup from India, because ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ same price ਤੇ ਹੀ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ. And secondly, there you can buy makeup from dollar store as well, but I don't recommend their quality. But they do have makeup products as well. You can buy it from Walmart, you can buy it from Shoppers Drug Mart, Sephora, anywhere. So and you won't have that much time कि तुसी every day अपना makeup करो. So don't just bring too much makeup because expire ho janda, right? And I also get asked whether we should bring our epilator or straightener from India. I would suggest that you can definitely bring your epilator from India. But for straightener, curler, you have to bring the converter as well if you are bringing that. Got my straightener from Walmart. It was about $25 or $30. And the curler is also like $25 to $30. You can easily buy from Walmart decent quality straightener. Third is, what's the cost of sanitary products here in Canada? I would say it's pretty similar. It is affordable. Like तुसी easily ले सकते हो. You don't have to carry too many sanitary pads from India, because ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ बहुत ਵਧੀਆ quality, like I would say ਮੈਨੂੰ India ਤੋਂ ਵੀ better quality ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ. You can easily buy sanitary pads from dollar store. Dollar store ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ cheap ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, and quality is also decent. You can buy it from Walmart, you can buy it from Shoppers Drug Mart. So and they are not too expensive, so don't worry about sanitary pads. So a small thing ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ in India we usually say pads but here they say napkins, so just keep that in mind because when starting ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ confusion ਹੋਈ ਸੀਗੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਤਲਬ washrooms ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ you can get a napkin, so napkin means a pad ਜੋ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ pad ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ but here they say it as a napkin. Fourth question that I get is how much Indian wear should you bring? I would recommend that only bring 2 to 3 like either suits or lehengas or anything traditional because you won't be wearing that much. You will only be wearing on any parties, any Indian parties that your college might organize or any function that you have to go to if you have any relatives. So don't bring too much because especially ਜਦੋਂ ਸਰਦੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ in winters, especially in winters ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਠੰਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ traditional ਤਾਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਪਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ, ਉੱਪਰ ਜੈਕਟ ਪਾਣੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ, right? So just bring like 2 to 3. I think that's more than sufficient. Fifth thing that I want to talk about is what are some problems that girls commonly face. And because of so much stress, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹਾਰਮੋਨ ਲੈਵਲ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਇੰਬੈਲੈਂਸ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੰਬੈਲੈਂਸ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਐਂਡ ਆਮ ਨਾਟ ਸਕੈਰਿੰਗ ਯੂ, ਆਈ ਐਮ ਜਸਟ ਟੈਲਿੰਗ ਯੂ ਕਿ ਆਈ ਵੁੱਡ ਸੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਰੱਖੋ. ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਮਤਲਬ ਆਪਣੀ ਡਾਈਟ ਸਹੀ ਰੱਖਣਾ, ਡੋਂਟ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਆਊਟ ਟੂ ਮਚ, ਟਰਾਈ ਟੂ ਟੇਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਸਲੀਪ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਹਲੇ ਵਰਕ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਤੇ. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਲੱਡ ਟੈਸਟ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਕਰਵਾਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਾਰਮੋਨਸ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਇੰਬੈਲੈਂਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਵਾਈ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਸੋ ਮਚ ਹੇਅਰ ਫਾਲ. ਸੋ ਆਈ ਵੁੱਡ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਰੈਕਮੈਂਡ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਾਈਟਮਿਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਆਈ ਸ਼ੋ ਯੂ. ਵੈਲ these were some of the main questions that I get asked. Now I'm going to talk about some tips that I would really recommend that you all follow. The first thing that I would say is start taking your multivitamins to see because ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ because of the weather and because of so much stress ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ especially weather ਕਰਕੇ you don't get vitamin D. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ multivitamins which you can find easily from any pharmacy here. I'm going to show you which I usually take this. I'm not promoting or anything, so I usually take one a day. It's for women and I would really recommend कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ you start taking these vitamins as well ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ hair fall ਜਾਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ problem ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ. I started it too but very late, so I'm just giving an advice. Second, I would say don't bring too many Indian clothes because you won't be wearing that much. Third, I would say is obviously don't bring too much makeup. You can easily buy makeup here. It's the same price, not that huge difference. Lastly, I would say in order to save up some money, learn self-grooming, learn threading, waxing, and even makeup. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਪ ਕਰ ਸਕੋ. You don't have to be dependent on somebody. So that is pretty much it for today's video. It was all girl talk, and if you really liked it, please like this video and leave a comment if you still have any questions. I'll try to make more such videos. Until then, take care. Bye.